Hi everyone, today I'm going to demo my task tracker application. This is like modern, productive, focused task management system designed to help users. First you have to go to there and you can type mini task tracker pages.dev. Then application will load. In here you can show the login page. The users can log in but via Google, GitHub, or just simply adding email or password. If users do not have any account, then user can create new one by filling those fields. I already have account and I will just log in with it Google. I already logged in account, and after logging in, user land on the main task dashboard. Here we can see the total task and status filters and search functionalities and advanced filtering option also. In here, if you are going to the high, it will filter the higher priorities only. Anyone and all, by we can sort by date and priority and any places, and one page how many tasks you need to show. The pagination also customized by in here, and due date and task date. And here all the tasks are use soft delete, therefore if you are already deleted that one also, who can by tick this one you can show it that one, and you have option to restore also. Okay. If you need to create a new task, click new task and fill the demonstration title and demo 1 and priority and select date. I select date 28, and if you need you can add file also. These fields are optional, and if you need to sync with that task with your Google Calendar, you have to tick that one, otherwise it not sync with your Google Calendar. Tick one, you will create task, then the attachment is uploaded, then create that task. This is the create that task in today. You can see by clicking that one full details, and if you need to edit you have to click that button, and you have like this, say like edited, demo 2, and like this way in progress, like priority, and you can save it here also in the attachment file. If you want you can replace it, or you can download it or delete it. And the activity logged, it will show the how you update the status and attachments. All the activity logged of this task will show in here for track the users, and save it here, and then it will be saved. And if you go back in here you can see it in here. If you need to delete that one you can simply click that button and you can delete. I just delete that one, task 11, then it also deleted. If you ask task 8, you can see that 8 also deleted. And here the dashboard only show the 10, now paginate into 10. Therefore if you not go other section to view the others, all are 14 task in currently now. Okay. On my day, this is one of the most important feature in my day view. This section allow user to focus only on today's task. It shows the like due dates in here, and if that due date is today then it will appear in here, and others. This demonstration edited, look, there is a due date is 28, then 28 will have the demonstrate edited. If you think that one you have to do it today, then you have to like simply you have to do add to my date like this. Click by this single button, then it will appear on my day. that will not change the due date, that only the task put into today. Therefore you can easily add the today task in there and you can do it in here. And next section is calendar section. That section will show the full monthly calendar view by summary. If you click one, if you can show that day due days and upcoming events and tasks, and all the summary details are showing in here. If you need, simply by clicking this you can hit done also. This is a simple calendar summary view, and this is the important, this is a Kanban board view. If you need some task add to in progress, you can drag and drop into there, then you can see task 2 is added into there. If you need again to the to do, you have to put in there. And in the demonstrate edited, that one also in to do. Now in progress, if you need done, you can add in here, then it will appear in here also. You can see in here also. Okay, and it will be changed by status when you are drag and drop the switches. And the profile setting, the user can add profile. If not, and if you are login with Google, it will automatically get the Google image. If not, you can upload or edited by photo by here. If you need, you can change your display name and change password and account information. This link providers means if this account you already logged local, that means username and password and GitHub and Google, all three ways. If you are only logged it with GitHub, in only show that in GitHub. If you are logging only in Google, it's only show in their Google tags. This account already linked with all the providers, that's why it's showing in here. And if you need to delete the account, you can delete that account also. And linked account section, this is all the login methods you are currently logged, showing in here. If you need to disconnect it, you can here, you can disconnect it. If you need, you can connect it here also. Then it will be connected. If you no need, you can disconnect it here. Then this part is when you are creating a calendar, it will be automatically sync in your Google Calendar. If you no need that one, you can disconnect it here. After that, when we are creating the task, it will not sync with your Google Calendar. If you need, you can connect it here. This application is not verified, since if you need to go public, we have or production, then we have to verify our Google Calendar application. Therefore we have to publish that as a public production application. Therefore in the Google side, they have to review and verify this application. It's get 3-4 days for verification. And here you can see the Google Calendar will sync. And here is the simple overview of the application, and we have the dark mode and light mode also. Okay. And here the if you need, you can log out in here for the application. Thank you.